Let's make some honey jerk salmon with roast potatoes and sweet corn. So the first thing we want to do is wash our potatoes and soak the corn for about 5 minutes in cold water. Place the potatoes and the corn on the grill. Let them cook for about 30 to 45 minutes. Now let's work on the salmon. So the first thing you want to do is remove all the bones from the salmon. We're going to cut this slab into 5 fillets. Going to leave the skin on for now. Season with some dry jerk season, garlic powder, and fish season, and a generous portion of jerk marinade. We're going to transfer this to a bowl and drizzle some oil and let it marinate for about 30 minutes. Make sure the grill is hot and place the salmon on the grill skin side down. Cover the grill to incorporate the smoke flavor. After 5 minutes, we're going to turn them over with our spatula and remove the skin. Let's add more seasoning to the salmon. We're also going to be drizzling some raw honey.
It looks like liquid gold. Alright, so I'm gonna add some honey. It's a little bit jaggedy, but you can see that it still looks good. Cover this for about 2 more minutes. We can cook all the way through. Let the honey melt.